What is cracking, my people? It's Michael Nerby, your East Sacramento specialist with Intero Real Estate Services. Here today with Michael's market update. Let's just dive right into the information here. That way we can both get on the same page with what's going on here. So, what we got going on is normally the market is softening each year in the fall. We're definitely seeing that right now. The fall has softened in years past, and it's pretty much a trend that, in my opinion, is what we're seeing currently. Now, it did take 4 days longer to sell a home compared to the previous month, and prices are down a little bit from the summer, but sales volume is up 18% in the region last month. That means there's still a lot of activity going on out there. Keep in mind, though, that inventory is still at historic lows. We're seeing things that are 20% lower than the same time last year. So again, I know we've talked about this in previous episodes, but it is definitely a seller's market out there. And I know you've noticed out there that interest rates for, the 30-year fixed are also on a little bit of an increase over the past couple of months. So with a combination of increases in interest rates means more buyers into the market interested in purchasing. And with inventory so low, it's definitely advantage to be in a selling position currently right now. We're looking at some other indicators here. We have housing inventory 26% lower in Sacramento region than it was the same time last year. Also, we have some really important things like the median price was $355 in November, went down slightly from October, but is down 3.5% from the height of summer. The average price per square foot in the Sacramento region, $208. It's down about 1% from the height of summer, but still 8% higher than last year. So full 8% growth in the price per square foot over all of Sacramento region means we're doing pretty good out there. Let's dive a look here into our summary, and what are we looking at here? Perfect. Okay, so just to kind of give us a little bit more perspective here, we'll dive right in. This is what we're talking about right here. This is November. As you can see, we're tracking right along. We can see that there's a decrease in the amount of homes for sale, so we have a trending line down, as well as a trending line for the amount of homes sold is going down and pending. So we're seeing that seasonal decrease, nothing completely out of the ordinary. If you see last year, again, we're seeing the decrease where we had really, really tight inventory and a super hot market coming into the early spring and late winter here. That happened in Sacramento, and we all felt it. It really happened in December and carried in all throughout the summer here. So you're seeing that we're up 13% from November in 2015, but 11.9% lower than last month. So now if we go to our next page here, we have, you can see that average sold price per square foot is neutral, hovering right around 200. Pretty consistent growth, fairly even growth here. We have a small trick right here, uptrend in our average days on market. So, things were really hot, like I was talking about in February, March, April. It keeps getting hotter and hotter throughout the summer. And then as we move into the fall, days on market starts to go up a fair bit. Now, each submarket in Sacramento is going to be a little bit different. And depending on obviously the type of property, if it's remodeled, is it in good condition, does it show well? But you can see right here, the days on market for November was 29. It's up about 3.5% from last month, but down 12.1% from November last year. So as you can look right here, we got November 33 days. We're doing 29 days. We're still selling homes much faster than we did last year. We got the average price for sale. We have $445 for sale, and then sold. Our average sold price $351. So that's great. as well as the seller's market. Man, if you look right here, look at this. Buyer's market, more than 6 months of inventory. Seller's market, less than 4 months. We have not, sorry, 3 months. We have not seen 3 months of inventory in a long time. And a lot of people say that it might be the new normal to be running around, 1 to 2 months of inventory here in Sacramento. And a lot of people are saying that next year, again, is going to be pretty consistent with what we've seen over the past 2 years. And if I had a crystal ball, like I tell my clients, I would tell you. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in for the Michael's Market Update for November 2016. Really excited for the holiday season coming up here and doing next month's Michael's Market Update. As always, if you have questions, concerns about real estate, feel free to reach out. All my information is down below. Please subscribe, add some comments, let me know how I'm doing and what I can do better to make this thing just badass. Thanks, guys. Make it a great day.